So guys, this video is going to go in the beginning of the video because I just want to let you guys know before the rest of the video starts. I'm recording it after the video though. Tomorrow, this video will be going out tonight, but tomorrow we're going down to the dyno at EB Tech to dyno Panda Bear supercharged K24 K20 Civic Si, and hopefully she sees 500. But it's gonna be raining, so I don't know if we're gonna get any pulls in, but we'll definitely see her on the dyno. As you can see, we have a Subaru WRX STI 2018, and it is just smoking vape everywhere because that's what Subarus do. And when it leaves tonight, it will probably have ringland failure within like 1.8 to 2 miles of driving, and that's about it. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the K-Series Kyle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be working on an EJ, which is slightly different from a K-Series because the Pistons do that, you know, it's like, you know, but, so, we have this beautiful 2018 WRX STI, and we're going to do an NVIDIA R400 exhaust install on it. Now, I don't work on that many other cars besides K-Series, but it all applies to the same thing. So, we're going to get started on this STI.
Sponsored by Budweiser, King of Beers.
Well guys, this video is not actually sponsored by Budweiser. He just drinks Budweiser sometimes, occasionally. But we're going to go ahead and get started on this car because we let it cool down after a while. And we're going to go ahead and jack up this car on all 4 sides because I'm doing an exhaust, so I like it jacked up on all 4 sides. If you don't know how to jack up a car or you don't know the jack points, you probably shouldn't be installing aftermarket parts. Go let a professional do it.
Open it up.
So guys, we have the NVIDIA R400 exhaust for this beautiful STI. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, they did include it. Nice. Oh yeah, look at all these bins. Make sure they got beautiful welds on them too. So guys, this is a 76mm exhaust, just like my N1 on the other car. But we're about to see how absolutely meaty these tips are. So as we can see here, the beautiful burnt titanium tips, 101mm. Are they fistable? Oh, they are.
Double fist.
Oh my god.
Double fist.
That is dangerous. Alright guys, so I didn't show it to you while it was under the car, but I'm going to show it to you now. You have 4 bolts and 4 nuts, 14mm all the way around. I just used an impact to get them off. Then you're gonna have 2 hangers on each one. The back one, or this back one right here, is a bitch, but I'm gonna go ahead and come under the car and show you how these connected, and it's really simple to get them off. Alright guys, so coming under the car, that is where the muffler used to sit. And there's these little hangers, these little rubber hangers. Those are gonna suck to get off, but I just kind of used my thumbs and pushed them. And then there's gonna be one up here too. And then the little pipe is going to connect to this little, I guess, Y pipe, T pipe, with those 2 14s on either side. So you just remove those guys, and then I pulled off this hanger first, and then this hanger. So guys, the next step is this little Y pipe into the full exhaust, down to the resonator, down to the cat. So there's going to be, I believe, 2 14s down there right at the cat that you're going to have to remove. And then you're going to have to remove this hanger right here. Wow, this car's still kind of warm under here. And then there's, I think that's the only hanger left. If there's another one, I will let you know. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you under here, right at the cat, that it's actually a 12mm on the back, and then a 14mm on the spring side of it. So I just used a 14mm socket for this one on the driver's side because the impact would not fit in there due to this bend in the pipe. So on this side you can use an impact. Feel free to use whatever you want to get that one off, but they're not too tight. So I'm just gonna pull that off, then go and pull that rubber mount down there off, and then this whole pipe should come off and we should be ready for the new exhaust. So I wanted to show you guys how much more restrictive the stock exhaust is than this NVIDIA one. As you can see, the largeness of that resonator compared to that one. I'm pretty sure this one has extra metal inside of it, and this one's just straight through. Keep going down. This is, I believe, 2-inch piping or 2 1/4, and this is 76mm. So she's thick. And then you get down to this, like, what is this, like 1.5 inch piping versus like 2 1/4. So, and then, oh man, you look at this muffler, and then you just see these two little baby mufflers. So it should be pretty loud. So for the people that are watching this that are gonna end up doing this and don't want to lose their catalytic converter and or downpipe situation, you're going to need to get this little adapter, and it's called a Grimspeed adapt. Just type in to the internet Grimspeed, whatever year your STI is, adapter, for catalytic converter to catback exhaust, or just call one of the websites that you're going to order exhaust off of, and they probably know exactly what you're talking about. But you're going to reuse or buy a new one of the little donut seal and stick that on. And then this little adapter, you're going to have the little plate, which is going to go into the little donut. And then you're going to have another gasket that they will send you, and then 2 bolts and 2 nuts, which are 14 millimeter. And then you're going to pretty much slide the exhaust up there. I have it held up with a jack stand down there. So you're pretty much just going to jack stand. It helps if you have 2 people for sure. And then just get these guys semi-tightened down. Try to make them as equal as possible so you can get the best seal possible so you don't have any exhaust leaks. And then we're going to head on down to the next part of the exhaust. Alright guys, so now connecting this little T or Y pipe, whatever you want to call it, it should come with all the hardware in the box, and if it doesn't, don't take your old exhaust off. So it should come with 14 and 14, 2 14 bolts and 2 14 nuts for this one, which a lot of them are the same. It depends on if you have an open down pipe or a catalytic converter. So you may not use everything in the box, don't be worried though. So it should come with 2 of these bigger gaskets. It's not rocket science. They should line up pretty perfectly. This is not tightened down all the way. I just hand tightened it. But before I did that, I went ahead and connected the old little rubber hanger up there before I put the bolts or the gasket in. So then I did that, and then now the exhaust pretty much hangs there. I don't need this jack, but I'll just have it up there for safety just in case something were to go wrong. So now the next part is it should come with 2 little gaskets for this seal, and then the muffler should go on right there, and then we'll just slide it into each of these and then bolt them up with the bolts they came with. Alright guys, so I have now hand tightened everything under the car, and the exhaust is completely on, and it is a massive difference. Can't really see this side, but it is a huge difference. These are some huge tips, and I cannot wait to hear what it sounds like. It's beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and wrench all of these things down, make sure we have great connections between all the gaskets and everything, make sure the tips are perfectly together and like symmetrical, and then we're going to go ahead and push them out because my dad's asleep right now, so we're going to go ahead and push it out down the road, give her a crank, and give her a drive. Alright guys, so from the catalytic converter, I've gotten everything tightened down. This is probably going to sound weird because I'm going to be like grunting on moving forward slowly while holding a camera and a light. It may be slightly jiggly too, but there's the resonator on her. You come down. I'm just slowly trying to wiggle my way down up to here. 2 more 14s. Sorry for the camera quality right here. There's one rubber little holder. Then you come down to this next pipe, which then splits off. One right there, and then one over here. It looks like there's a little gap in there. That's just shadow though. Then it goes over to your mufflers. Oh, this is difficult. So yeah, that's the view from under the car. So guys, now that everything's done on it, we're gonna have to push it out and roll it down the road so I don't wake up my dad. But we're gonna push it down, get a cold start on it, see how she sounds, and then we're gonna go do some pulls. And thank God it's all-wheel drive because it's wet outside. It's been raining all week. So guys, I will be right back with you once it's down the road and ready to start.
I couldn't even see you.
Dude, this is actually really nice. It's like really responsive. You know, it's just like hard.
The steering is amazing in this car. The steering is unreal.
And we don't even have any power steering. Or power brakes. Fuck.
Holy shit.
That is kind of aggressive sounding.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Dude, you can feel it in your lungs, bro. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. Cops are already coming for us. Oh god, the cops are already coming. And we haven't even been above like 2,000 RPMs. How do you like it?
Oh, it's unreal. This thing sounds amazing.
R400, man. Oh, listen to that. Oh. 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 Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Cold start. Not really cold. Warm. Sounds really good though. Oh. Oh. She sounds nice. Sheesh. She sounds good. She sounds real good. Oh, listen to that though. Oh. Oh wait, you should totally put it on the two-step. Oh wait, no, the cop's right there. Fuck. There's a cop right there. Get a romp on it. Oh yeah, she sounds real good. Oh yeah, that sounds real nice. See you, buddy. Enjoy your new exhaust. It's pretty loud. Wow. Alright guys, so I hope that audio came out pretty well. I think it did. Maybe it was a little bit windy in there because we had the windows down. But that thing sounds pretty good. Thank you to NVIDIA. I'm not sponsored by them. I would like to be sponsored by them. Can't be sponsored by them. Never mind. But NVIDIA makes great exhausts, so go and check out their products for your car, Civic Si, any car pretty much, any Asian car at least. Thanks for stopping by the K-Series Kyle YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you. Go down below, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and comment below if you're gonna buy one of these exhausts. I can give you guys more tips on it. I think I covered pretty much all of it in the video. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the next video, and we will see Panda Bear make 500.